In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use toggles in Notion. Notion is a versatile productivity tool that allows you to organize your thoughts, tasks, and projects with ease. One of its most useful features is the toggle list, which helps you manage information efficiently by allowing you to hide and reveal content as needed. This is especially handy when you want to keep your workspace neat and focused. Let's get started by diving into your Notion workspace. Look towards the left-hand side of your screen and you'll notice a plus sign. This is your gateway to adding new elements to your page. Go ahead and click on this plus sign and you will see a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, select Toggle List. This option is what will enable you to create collapsible sections on your page. Adding a toggle list is simple. It works like a header that can be clicked to reveal or hide content underneath. Now that we have our toggle list, let's use a basic example to demonstrate its functionality. In the toggle list, you can type anything you like, but for this demonstration, let's keep it simple by typing 1 plus 1. This entry serves as our question or prompt, and we'll be revealing its answer in just a moment. Next, you'll want to input the answer or the detailed information that you wish to hide under the toggle. To do this, click on the small arrow next to your 1 plus 1 prompt. This arrow functions as a visual indicator, showing you whether the toggle is opened or closed. Clicking it will expand the toggle, allowing you to type underneath your question. Enter the answer, 2 in this case, and you'll notice that it's neatly tucked away under the original line of text. Once you've entered your answer or additional information, you can click the arrow again. Doing so will collapse the toggle list, hiding the answer once more and keeping your content tidy. This feature is incredibly helpful for organizing notes, outlining essays, or creating quizzes, as it allows you to control what information is immediately visible. And there you have it. That's how you use toggles in Notion. This small but powerful feature can help streamline your workflow by allowing you to focus on the task at hand without distraction. Now you can add as many toggles as you need to manage your projects effectively and enhance your Notion experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to explore the other features of Notion to make the most out of your productivity journey.